AI kit features the ElectFreak Smart AI Lens component to go with the microbit and b.Board as well. The kit contains the AI lens itself, a collection of cards that the lens has already been pre-trained on, a red and a blue ball that the lens has also been trained to recognize, two different cables for attachment. For the b.Board and microbit, you want the one that has the jumper cables attached to it. And finally, a set of 8 headers. To begin, take the set of 8 headers and split it in half. The AI lens will be hooking up to one of the 2 clipboard headers at the top of the b.Board. Take the first set of headers and plug them in here. So we have a pin for the 3-volt and the ground headers. Next, on the other side, add in another set of headers here, header pins here, for the SCL and SDA headers. Next, you plug in this cord to your AI lens and grab the red and the black wire. It is very important to make sure that your red wire is going to the 3.3 volt pin and the black wire is going to the ground pin. If these two are mixed up, you may damage the AI lens. Additionally, the clipboard headers do have 5-volt power. Using 5-volt power with the AI lens could also damage it. We'll take the green and the yellow wires next. The green wire will go to the SCL header, while the yellow wire will go to the SDA header.